Trading options is not about luck, it's about data. And Ghostboard Dashboard delivers the insights you need to make smarter and faster decisions backed by smart money. Let me show you how it helped traders dominate the market on Friday. Friday's flow on Tesla was remarkable. Our Flow AI tool flagged unusual options activity early, signaling very strong put buys for a potential bearish opportunity. You can also see the Flow AI tool is showing no calls are being bought for the first hour of market open. Majority of the smart money is leaning on the bearish side of this trade. This is not just a lucky guess. You can see the data in front of you. It is showing the way for the market. Traders who acted on this information saw gains of up to 600%. And we're not just talking about regular traders. Huge traders like Ripster actually used the Ghostboard Dashboard to crush the market on Tesla for Friday. When top traders trust our tools to guide their strategies, you know you're getting the best insights in the game. Ghostboard Dashboard isn't just about spotting opportunities, it's about simplifying the complexity that comes with options data. With the cutting-edge AI-powered tools, we're turning the overwhelming data into actionable insights you can use every single day. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, Ghostboard is the edge you've been waiting for. Don't miss the next big opportunity and sign up today with a free 7-day trial at app.ghostboard.net.